a butterfly you can almost disappear in front of, nature's ultimate camouflage. Have you ever seen a glasswing butterfly? It's one of nature's most incredible illusions. Its wings are completely transparent, making it almost invisible. Unlike colorful butterflies, it relies on invisibility for survival. These delicate creatures are found in Central and South America. They inspire scientists studying camouflage and light refraction. Watching one feels like seeing a tiny, living ghost. Nature hides its most amazing tricks in plain sight. The glasswing butterfly is a perfect example.